Hey, what's going on? Okay, now you up here. You're here for orientation. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click the link, or you should be on a page that looks just like this. You're gonna come right here, and when you come right here, all you're gonna do is sign up. You can either sign up with Facebook and to let it connect, or you can sign up with your own email address and your own password. I suggest you just sign up with your own email address and your own password. To me, it's just better. Um, but Facebook is no problem either. After you sign in, I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Sign in, you're gonna come to a page like this. Well, it's gonna not gonna be like this. It's gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna talk about this in a minute. You see right here, you see all these surveys. Um, then there's some more surveys that are loaded up down here for me to try and do. Right now, I'm at 34.96 for the day. What you want to do is you want to click up here. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna build your account. So profile. I'm sorry. So you want to go ahead, build your profile out, build your pro. You're going to fill this out, fill out the stuff for you to get paid, and it's going to get that. And then you just click update. There'll be a tutorial for you to do. And when you do the tutorial, it will allow you to get an extra $2. So what you want to go ahead and do that. You want to go ahead and do that ASAP. You'll be over here to the side. And then after that, you'll this pretty much is where all your referrals will be. All these referrals, you'll get $5 if you do your surveys. You see, I got this one right here. They'll get you have the pay that you're gonna get for that to be right there. This right here will be the surveys and the referrals that you got that are being verified. So I got about 15, $17 is about to be verified. And what you want to do over here, understand the surveys that you can do, they're gonna pay the most. Usually you get your $5 to $75 surveys. Here go $8 surveys, $5 surveys, $7 surveys. And you can do these all day and easily make $50 to $100 a day. But these are the surveys that are gonna require you to buy something to get the product they want you to look at, and then after that they're gonna want you to do the evaluation on it. Like this one right here, this coffee one, for example, when it loads up, it's pretty much gonna ask you to spend probably $2.99 or $3.99 to get a sample of the coffee. Use the coffee, and then after you use the coffee, after they send it to you, you're gonna do a study on it, saying how you liked it. Yeah, the product is gonna be $1. I think and then they're gonna pay you back $4 or something like that. There's something the way it works, so it's kind of tricky. But yeah, you're gonna get the coffee for $1, shipping and handling. You're gonna choose four blends. They're gonna want you to use it. Then after you use it for a week or whatever, you're gonna go ahead. First, you're gonna do the evaluation because you're gonna try the coffee, and then you're gonna do the survey, or you're gonna do the survey to say how you liked it. So, but when you come over here to studies are going to be a little bit on the low end, but they're just doing the, do you work out? Yes, no, never. It's pretty much going to be like a typical survey you would expect to fill out somewhere. So those will require more to get done. But what we do here, what we stress everybody to do is go ahead. After you finish your stuff, after you finish your profile, when you finish your profile, you have to take. There's like a tutorial survey you do that kind of helps with your profile, and it gives you an extra $2. But that's not the survey that you gotta do. You need to come over here to studies and actually complete one of these surveys. You must complete one of these surveys over here, or complete one of the studies. When you do that, that's when your account is fully completed and fully active. And that's how we get it in our back office to know that, okay, you have actually completed a real survey, and that we can go ahead and start sending you more surveys to do on a higher level or more studies to do. So you do this. Make sure you do one of these studies. Pick one of these studies over here. It got the time. Some of them have the time you could take. It takes to complete them. Some of them you can do 10 times, 3 times a day, or what have you. So make sure you do one of these. And then after that, what you want to do is come over here to our referral program. This is where most of our survey takers make $50 to $100 a day. Come over here to our referral program. This is going to be your referral. Your referral code is going to be right here. Get your referral code, share it on Facebook, and what we want you to do is email it to your friends so they can sign up. And then what we want you to do, you're going to place an ad. Once you place an ad on Craigslist, pretty much place the same type of ad that you responded to. And when you place that ad, go ahead and just respond to them the same way you responded to. Tell them that, hey, this is what we do. I'm a recruiter because you're all a recruiter now. Tell them to sign up, take the same steps you took, and then you'll get paid. We pay every 2 weeks as long as you hit a threshold of $50. It's real quick. It's real easy. It's real simple. I'm already at $34.96 for this time period. That's pretty much like $14, $15 away. That's pretty much either three people signing up or just doing some surveys or doing one of the studies. And I'll pretty much have that in no time. And I'll have more than that. So y'all take, oh yeah, another thing I want y'all to see too, just in case y'all have a little bit more trouble, you can come down here to request payment. Request payment, $34. My next payment is June 15th. So I'll get that by June 15th. Then you can come over here to payment help. Payment help will help you understand stuff too. Look, your studies. You see right here, studies right here. Studies don't require a credit card. They usually pay $1 to $5. Evaluation. Most evaluations require a credit card and have two parts. They usually pay $5 to $7. So there you go. Referrals. See, I've clicked 38 totaling. $190 completed, 16, $80. That's pretty much saying people have signed up, but they haven't completed their first survey, and therefore they don't really work with us because they didn't go ahead and finish it out. You don't want to be on that other end. Earn $5 per friend referral. Your friend must sign up for Vindale account with your referral link and complete one evaluation. And then you can also click right here. Look at this right here. This is all the referrals. This is all the referrals. Now these people go back, and the ones who haven't did their first survey, they could always go back log because their account is still active and do their survey, or if not, your account does come dormant. And when you'll start the email that you use when you sign up, you will start getting email. You'll start getting surveys emailed to you. That's why I sign up with my email. You sign up with Facebook, you might just get surveys sent to your inbox or pop-ups. I don't know how they do when you sign in with Facebook, but you'll get emails sent to you of surveys to do. Open these emails. Open these emails. Because when you open these emails, it shows that you're active. So go ahead, open these emails, click on them, try to do them. You might not get it, because you might not qualify for all of them, but go ahead and do it. Make an attempt to do them. You might do one or two. But then another thing you're gonna get is you're gonna get mail. You're gonna get like reward mail. When you get an email from reward mail, it's pretty much gonna pay you like 5 cents just from opening up the email and looking at it. That's all. Just open up the email. You see right here, reward mail. They're gonna send me reward mail 14 times. So that reward mail times 5 is extra 70 cents. So go ahead and open. Yeah, you'll just get email reward mails on everything. P&G coupons, Disney, ACT, Active Care, Jamba Juice, all that stuff there. So when you get you'll see reward mail in the subject. Open those up, and just open them up. It's already gonna credit you 5 cents. So there you go, man. I done did a 20-cent survey, completed my member profile, got $2. Then people actually did my survey. So this is a survey that I did, and then I did my profile. So it's two different things. When you do your profile, so that's all you need to do. That's all you need to know, man. So you should be signed up. Go ahead and sign up, and let's go ahead and get started. If you got any questions, just email us. And like I say, we should be in touch with you real soon. Take it easy.